I like your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Corben want turn on. We are Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often arises from a faulty BIOS or power supply problem which prevents your laptop from starting up. To fix this, we might need to repair the BIOS settings or replace the power supply unit, ensuring your device is back to working condition. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.